To use reverse wireless charging on Xiaomi 17, we need to open settings, scroll down in here to find the battery settings, and let's open them. Next, over here we can go to charging options, and as you can see in this place we have reverse wireless charging, so we should be able to turn it on. But before you do that, you can also set up the charging limit, so you can decide how much battery you need to have at least to be able to charge other devices. So by default we use 30%, which means that if we drop to 30%, then wireless charging, the reverse wireless charging, is going to be deactivated. So we're gonna turn it on. We can place our phone face down, just like that. And over here on the back of the phone we need to place another device that we want to charge, but of course that other device has to support wireless charging. So if I place, for example, this phone over here, which supports wireless charging, I should be able to get the connection and charge the phone. There we go. It works just fine. So this is how it works. Leave a like and subscribe.